So when building websites or doing any kind of coding in general, one thing we want to try and avoid is retyping the same code over and over again. So if we go into our homepage, we've got the facilities section, and we've used this a couple of times on the website now, so we've reused the same code. So we've got it in the front page. If we also go down to the About Us page, we've reused the same section at the bottom, and it's also on the 404 page that we created in the last video. So one way we can reduce the amount of lines of code on our website and make our website a little bit more organized is to use the Get Template part. And this is basically just a section of our website which you put in its own file, and we can then call it into our page just the same way as we do with the header and the footer. So to get the code for this section, we're going to create a new page, and we're going to call this the content-facilities.php. So let's start by going to the front page of our website, and if we look for the facilities section, which is this part here, it's the div with the class of row and facilities. So look for the close and row tag. So cut this content out. So cut that, making sure that you still leave the container in place. And then in the file we just created, we can paste this in and then save that. And then go back into the front page, and in the same section that we've just removed this content, open up the PHP tags, and then we use get_template_part, and then in the brackets we use the name of the template that we just created. So it's content-facilities. So let's save that and head over to the front page and see if that's working okay. So yeah, so that's all there. Just to show that it's pulling it from the template, if we just make a spelling mistake there and then refresh, you'll now see that that's been removed. So let's correct that and save. So copy this section of PHP, and we'll do the same in the 404 page and the About Us page. So we'll start with the page About, and then look for the div with the class of facilities. Then find in the close and row tag and delete this section. And then paste in the PHP. And the same with the 404 page. So there's the row facilities, the closing tag. Delete that and paste in the get template part and hit save. So let's go over to the website and see if it's working. So we know our front page is working now. So let's go to the About Us page. And it's just there. And let's type in a address which we won't recognize. And we're taken to the 404 page. And there's the facilities section again at the bottom. So you can use this with any section of the website that you want, or if you're creating your own custom theme. If you find that you're creating the same HTML over and over again, just put it in its own template and pull it in with get template part, and it really makes your website a lot more organized. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll create the custom template for the search page.